Did you know? There is one interesting fact given here. Many common vegetables like tomato, potato, pumpkin, though it is a fruit, chili, originally did not grow in India. These vegetable or fruit, it is not from India. Tomato, potato, pumpkin or chili. Neither did maize, guava, cashew, cocoa, vanilla. Even these also, maize, guava, cashew, cocoa and vanilla, they are also not from India. Do you know? They are from North and South America. Now you may wonder who has brought those. The Portuguese brought them to India. Portuguese, when they visited India, at that time they brought these vegetables as well as fruits. So all these vegetables and fruits, they are not basically from India. They are brought from Portuguese to India. Let us recall now what we learned from this particular chapter. Our body requires food for energy to grow and fight diseases. We require food because it provides energy, it will help us in growth, even it will help us to fight diseases. Second point, our body needs the nutrients. Which are the nutrients our body requires? Carbohydrates, proteins, fat, vitamins and minerals. Do you know all these nutrients will keep us healthy? Our body also needs roughage and water to stay healthy. It also requires roughage, mainly to remove the undigested waste. And our body also requires water, mainly to absorb nutrients. Even it will also help in digestion. Then, a balanced diet provides our body with all the nutrients in the right quantity. Balanced diet means the food that provides all these nutrients, carbohydrate, protein, fat, vitamins and minerals in a right quantity, in a controlled quantity. Now, if food is not cooked correctly, the nutrients in it will be lost. Food shouldn't be overcooked. Food shouldn't be less cooked also. It should be cooked in a correct method. Each food item requires a proper cooking technique. If food is not cooked correctly, though it contains nutrients, it will be lost. Now, food can be preserved by storing it in the refrigerator by adding preservatives, canning it, then drying it. We can preserve the food so that it can come for a little long duration of time by keeping it in the refrigerator at low temperature. It will prevent the growth of germs by adding preservative like sugar, salt and oil, then canning it. Initially, the germ should be killed, then it should be filled in the airtight containers or sealed cans. Then last one is drying, mainly to remove the water content. Let us solve the exercise questions. A. Multiple choice questions. You know the meaning of multiple choice questions. A question will be given and 4 options will be mentioned below. Out of 4 options, the right option you need to mark a right. The correct option should be either with a tick mark you can indicate, otherwise you can underline. Okay, and all these answers should be written in the textbook itself. Remember that, not in notebook, textbook. First question, which of these food is rich in protein? Carrot, banana, fish, spinach. Remember, vegetables and fruits, they are rich in vitamins. Okay, so carrot and spinach, though it may contain other nutrients also, but they are rich in vitamins. Okay, banana is rich in carbohydrate. So fish is rich in protein. Usually most of the meat, including the meat of the fish, it is rich in protein. Remember, so fish is rich in protein. Carrot and spinach, they are rich in vitamins. Banana is rich in carbohydrate. Okay, second question, dash or protective food? Means in this blank space, you need to write which one is protective food. Proteins, vitamins, carbohydrates, fat. Okay, protein is bodybuilder. Carbohydrate is energy rich food. Fat is also energy rich food. It is the vitamins which are protective food. Protective food out of these 4 options is vitamins. Protein is bodybuilder. Carbohydrate and fat, they are energy rich food. They provide us energy. It is a vitamin that we need to write in this blank space. Okay. Then third question. In this blank space, we need to write the correct option. Of your body weight is water. Okay. So what percentage or quantity in fractions, okay, of our body weight is water? 1/3, 1/4 of and 2/3 it is asked. Okay. So 1/3, 1/4, off, or 2/3. Here the correct answer is 2/3. 1/3 means it comes somewhere near 33% of our body weight is water. 1/4 means it comes 25% of our body weight is water. Off means 50% of our body weight is water, 1/2. 2/3 means 66%, nearly 66 to 67% of body weight is water. Answer here is 2/3. 66 to 67% of our body weight mainly contains water. Fourth question. Which of the following does not have to be cooked before eating? Which of the following does not have to be cooked before eating? Carrot, rajma, potato, rice. Here rice should be cooked. It should become soft. It should be cooked. Potato also, it should be cooked. Rajma, that is red kidney beans, that is also a little hard itself, it should be cooked. Here carrot can be eaten raw. Remember, potato, rice and rajma, that is red kidney beans, so these to be cooked. Which doesn't require to be cooked, it is carrot, which can be eaten raw. It is a rich source of vitamin A. Next, fifth question. Which of the following methods should be followed while cooking food? We learned some good practices in the lesson for cooking, before cooking or maybe during cooking. So out of these methods, which should be followed? Okay, there are 4 options given here. Wash fruits after cutting them. Overcook vegetables. Wash vegetables before cutting them. Use extra water and throw away the water afterwards. Wash fruits after cutting them is not a good practice, because after cutting them, if you wash fruit, certain nutrients present in the fruit will be lost. So this is wrong option. Overcook the vegetables. Whenever we overcook the vegetables, some essential nutrients will be lost. So even this is the wrong option. Use extra water and throw away the water afterwards. When we use extra water, sometimes the nutrients will be present in that extra water. Later we remove that extra water, that is throw away the water afterwards. At that time, along with the water, even the nutrients also will be lost. Even this is not the right option. So correct option here is C. Wash vegetables before cutting them. All these questions, totally 5 multiple choice questions, you need to mark in your textbook itself. Anyhow, the image of the answer of these multiple choice questions I am going to forward in the WhatsApp group. One tick mark will do here. One tick mark here. So that will indicate, so that is the right option.